My good people, we thank Baba God for another day when Baba God say allow see. Today, my yarn is going to be about Liverpool Football Club. Seriously, we need to clap for those people. They don't really impress me this season. I don't know about that, but they don't really impress me. The way that they come from behind, as in, that never say that attitude when they just get this season. It don't really impress me. I don't get impressed with their team, with their doings. You they get me? They don't really impress me for different ways, defensively, attacking wise, and they be the only club maybe say, now one player they buy for someone, if I'm not the mistake now, even the one player when they even buy, they know they use the guy. So, for them not to spend money like that for summer, even January reached, for them not to spend money, and they didn't only for quadruplets. Now, very good, as in, now what everybody needs to applaud. Everybody just need to applaud that. And the fact saying a new coach, you know, say most times when a coach come from a foreign league, they get on time, they take time for them to adapt, for them to get used to how Premier League be. You know everybody know how the Premier League be now. But the man you're coming, you're blend. Like who don't do the league since, as in it didn't just be like natural thing to them. I not go lie, the man don't really impress me. The way they bring out the best for all these players, as in normal level players when they look say all those one are average players, they don't fit do some kind of things. They even exceed wetin they do. I no go lie, I did very impressed with them. As in the way they trash Tottenham yesterday. Normally, na Anfield, normal that one na number one, and Tottenham get very long injury crisis. As in, even myself and the thing they shock me. But even at that, no just take anything away from Liverpool. Liverpool, the ball. And the fact say at this time of the season, they see they're eligible for quadruplets. Not be easy to know. If it easy, people run now, it's not easy. As in the way they are top players, they perform. The Salah, the Van Dijk, the Konate, Alistair, the way all those players they perform. Arnold, the way they perform with the noise and they link Arnold to Real Madrid, the guys they perform. Even Salah, last year of a contract, Van Dijk, last year of a contract. You understand? And all those players, according to wetin we dey hear, they never even start contract talk with them. But they say they ball, the way they think they ball. They're very impressive now. You understand? You know, let all the distraction from the media, they distract them, they do their things. And one thing when they really favor Liverpool this is now the fact say they never really get injury crisis. All their star players they available for them to ball. If you look at now, this season now, Salah na talisman. How many games Salah don't miss this season with injury? The same thing with Van Dijk. The same thing with the Arnold. The same thing with Paco. You understand? All those things, with the reason. Once you get your players there available, most of the time, challenging for titles no go really hard you. Now when you dey battle with injuries, now there you should go there. There you should go there. But even at that, I'm not going to take anything away from Liverpool. Most of their star players, they form since when the season started. They never drop for form. They perform at the highest level. So, we don't take anything away from the Liverpool ball. My people, we could not forget to like, we could not forget to share, and we could not forget to follow, subscribe, and drop comments. Maybe we yarn about this Liverpool season. Liverpool go still win the quadruplet. To me, they put my money on them. Say, now they go winner. My people, una do.